Hey folks, it's Sean, the ToGA brother here. So we have a product for you. I am going to be reviewing this product. I'm going to be showing you first an unboxing, okay? Now, disclosure, I've already taken the seal off, so you're not going to hear that of me taking off the tape on the corners, because I've already done that. And disclosure, I've already taken a peek inside to see what's in here, so it's not a raw unboxing, but this is a unedited, unraw unboxing, if that makes any sense, right? So it is unfiltered that I'm doing this on cam for you guys, but it's not pre-recorded. Or maybe it is, okay? Let's get into the video. So, as you guys know, I have a channel on YouTube, obviously. I have a channel of bikes, cameras, cars, reviews, this one, but my main channel, all about aviation. But we can do better. So I called upon some help from a particular product or resource. Stream Deck. That's right, guys. This is the Elgato Stream Deck. Okay? It says evolve your content. It is 15 customizable LCD keys, as you can see here, right? 1, 2, 3 rows of 5, okay, 15 keys. Single and multi-actions, okay? Custom stand, so you can customize the stand and make it look the way you want it to. Interchangeable faceplate, so you can change out the faceplates the way you want to customize it to your specific look, okay? A detachable cable, okay, which is going to connect it to your computer PC, okay? What's in the box? Quick start guide, I would hope. USB-C cable, the stand, the Stream Deck, and that's it, okay? Customization on your terms. Easy setup. Drag and drop actions in the Stream Deck app. Personalized key. Design your own icons or choose from hundreds of pre-created keys at your convenience. Unlimited profiles. Create, share, and switch key configurations on the fly. Okay? Adaptable design. Non-slip stand holds Stream Deck at the perfect angle for desktop use. Interchangeable faceplate. Easily switch out designs to personalize your setup. Studio power at your fingertips. Tactile control. Tap to stream, record, switch screens, and more. And the other stuff is in another language that I can't read. So here's some technical specs for you, okay? The size is 118 by 84 by 25 millimeters, or 4.6 by 3.3 by 1 inch without the stand, okay? It is 145 grams, or 270 grams with the stand. 15 customizable keys, obviously. USB 2.0, not 3, 2.0. Works with Windows 10 64-bit, Mac OS 10.13 or newer. It functions and works with Elgato, okay? Twitch, YouTube, Twitter. Not familiar with these. It integrates with Spotify, Hue, and all these others. And there's many more applications that it works with, So if you don't see it listed, don't freak out. Do a little bit of research. Check them out, okay? Because it's probably in that list of compatible applications. All right, guys. Here we go. So this is what it looks like. The top, side, the bottom, and that. Okay, now there's a finger tab here. What I'm going to do is put my finger there, lift. Wow. Look at that. That's the Stream Deck. Very, very nice. So these keys look like they're glossed over, okay? And they are backlit, so you will see them when they are on and operable, okay? This has got the cord for it. We're going to take that out because I'm going to show you what it looks like. But first, let's check out this. This is the alternate. This is the accessory box. Okay. USB-C cable. Quick start guide. And some more instructions. Okay. For right now, we're going to put this away. Okay. You know what? No, let's not. Let's dive into it real quick. Okay. So it's like a flipbook style thing. Okay. So it'll tell you download the Stream Deck app first, then connect it to your PC. Okay. Do not use a USB hub. Connect it directly to your PC port. Okay. You're going to launch the app, and then you're going to configure your actions on your Stream Deck. Drag and drop. Okay. You can change out faceplates. Yeah. And then enter your social media accounts and to connect with all the fans. Okay? So, there you go. And then this is just some warranty and, you know, technical information you have to read. It's really just legal information. So, there's the cable. Okay. This is the product. So, there you go. It literally comes apart like that. Now, I can put it in like... Okay. Aha. So, there's where the cable would go, right in there. Okay? So, if you want to put it on a desk, you can take this stand out and put it like this. Okay? Like this. Okay? Or cooperate. Okay. Take your Stream Deck case or stand, right? It's just gonna fit right in there, okay? Now, this sits like this, and now I can push it at more of a face level, okay? There you go. That is the Stream Deck product, all right? And this has more of like a rubberized grip on the bottom, okay? You can see that? See? So right here, that's where the plastic, ABS plastic product is for the stand. That's what it's made out of. But this is like neoprene rubber almost. Okay? It's very non-slip grip. I imagine this little hole is for your cable to slip in there and connect to the back. So it would go through here and then would go through here, okay? and then into here. You understand? Make sense? Okay. There you have it. Elgato Stream Deck. Thank you all for watching. I'll show you how it works later on in the video. Y'all take care. I'm Sean, ToGA Brother. This has been an overview. I'm out.